Hi, welcome back to the Prescription for Career Success podcast. I'm Dr. Christy Taylor, and today I want to tackle something that trips up so many career shifters: spotting transferable skills in job descriptions. If you've ever clicked on a job posting and thought, I could do that, except I haven't done that exact thing before, you're absolutely not alone. The good news? You probably already have the skills, they're just hiding in plain sight. You just need to know what to look for and how to talk about them so you make sense to the people hiring. Let me tell you how it works. A transferable skill is something you've developed in one role, maybe in government, in education, or even in a volunteer position that applies somewhere else. Things like project management, cross-functional teamwork, strategic communication, problem solving, these are transferable. They're universal. But employers don't always spell out project management in big letters. Instead, you see phrases like coordinate with stakeholders or manage deliverables under tight deadlines. That's code for project management. So if you've worked across agencies, led multi-step initiatives, or had to juggle competing priorities, those are the skills they want, even if your job title sounds unrelated. I want you to start treating job descriptions like treasure maps. Scan the responsibilities section for action words. If a posting says analyze performance metrics, and you've ever pulled data to support a decision, that's on your list. Not as a duty, but as an achievement. Say, I analyze engagement data to inform strategic recommendations. That's the bridge between your experience and what they're looking for. Then look at the qualifications, especially the soft stuff. Words like self-starter, adaptable, or excellent communicator. Those aren't fluff. That's messaging telling you what mindset they want. If you've ever led a brainstorming session, worked through change, or simplified a complex process, that fits. Speak to it. And don't forget the preferred or bonus qualifications. Often that's where the golden juicy details lie. Maybe they list experience in cross-department collaboration. You might have done that coordinating between policy and IT teams. That's your edge, even if it's not required. It's not about faking it, it's about speaking their language. Frame what you've done using their words. If they want manage multiple priorities and you've been coordinating grants, outreach, and budgets, say that because it lines up. Here's why it matters. So many job seekers hold back because they don't have a perfect background. But if you show them you've done exactly what they need in a different setting, you'll stand out. Employers want someone who can do the job, no matter where you came from. If reading job descriptions still feels confusing, or you're struggling to translate your experience onto your resume or LinkedIn, we have your back with our 21-day Career Pivot Challenge. We guide you through your career pivot and identify your transferable skills and position your experience so the right people clearly see the value you bring. Head over to the link in the description box and sign up. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Prescription for Career Success podcast. Keep speaking your skills into the roles you deserve. I'll see you next time.